Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our new 2024 285 Grady-White Freedom. Take a look at the outside. We'll pop up inside, go through some options. This boat is here in stock and available. We'll go take a look. As we come inside our 28 Freedom, you can see we brought this boat in with the two lounges that come out and make a full seat. Boat does have the boarding door on the side. Your companion seat, your helm seat with a bolster, which is electric and comes forward. This is a joystick boat. Your fusion radio, stereo. Up forward, you have your seating. This boat does have the forward table option, your windlass, a full head with a sink, rod storage forward. This is your 28-foot Grady-White Freedom. Thank you.